Greetings, everyone. I'm ambeshsingh along with jonasrapp to present you the 12th episode of the Power Platform Community Tool series. In this episode, we are going to talk about the another important plugin or the tool available in the XrmToolBox, which is Related Record Analyzer. If you have not watched the previous episodes, please check the complete playlist or links in the description of the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the notification of the new uploads. The Related Record Analyzers in the XrmToolBox is a useful tool for analyze relationships and related data within Microsoft Dynamics 365 or C. You can choose a record using its URL or through a quick find. Set up which relationship you want to investigate. The tool will analyze the selected relationships to find the related record. You can then explore the results and expand to see additional level of the related information. The tool is particularly helpful for understanding the complex data relationship and ensuring the data integrity within your dynamic CRM. Max and Mia, co-workers in Contoso, Max seek the help from the Mia that if she can tell the easy way to analyze the relationship and related data within his new Dynamic 365 CE app. Mia recommended him to use the related record analyzer. She asked to follow the demo by Jonas to know how easy it is to set up and use it. So over to you, Jonas.
Oh, thanks. Let me just show you how this is working. And why did I create this tool? Well, it was actually Sara Lagerqvist, my colleague. If you're into the community of Power Platform, you know who she is. She wanted some tool so it's easier to actually find how the relationships are connected to each other and the data they want to see. She wants to see as well. So there's nowhere to do that in the Maker portal or anywhere else, but to actually drilling down into the information relationships and so on. So here's the related records analyzer. Let me start it. It will just from start, it will get all the entities in the system. And you have this here. If you just select, I will start writing account. It will now by default retrieving all those accounts with the default view. So here I have a bunch. Good for me that I don't have that crazy much data in my environment, but anyway. So here is the account that I'm seeing. These are the records in there right now. We can start with actually looking at the metadata so we can see how are they related to each other and so on. So just do it, analyze metadata, and now I will get this directly. So from the accounts, I have like children of the accounts are here. Their accounts, contacts, social profiles, and so on. So if I can go to Rocket instead, which is my custom table. You can see it, and we can expand that one. Here we see all the details about this relationship. So how is the sign? Is that being cast from the account to the Rocket? It isn't. It's no cast date and so on. And you can actually see also the technical name of the relationship and so on. But then we can click even further. Okay, how is Rocket connected to anything else? It's connected to missions, and missions are connected to you have connections and also many to many with contacts. And from contacts, where does that go on? And it's go on and on and on forever. No, not later forever, but usually you can drill down very long into looking at the metadata here. That's one part. And also there's a filter here, which type of relationship we shall show. In this case, regarding the assign and reparent, it will take, I've just checked everything. So if they will cascade all active own user and so on. And the same thing for share on share and for delete. And also here, like which type of entities will show the activity entities. If I just remove this and do another analyze of metadata, it has removed a bit there and so on. And you can actually click in all of these and it will find a lot of tables because there are a lot of relationships we don't even know about. And also about the relationship. Relationship can be invisible. What that means, that's for another session. And only with data, well, it couldn't show, yeah, I'm related to this other table, but there's no data, which is not interesting for me currently, if that's what I'm looking for. and then regard and many-to-many. So this is sort of how to actually get some help of finding how the module has been created. Maybe it's easier to actually using the UML generator, so you can see it visually, but I think this is a very good start as well for that. Let me go to the rocket instead, and we will look at those. And I'm looking at Apollo 11, really fun thing that happens. And from here, I can then start to analyze the relationships to see the data behind it as well. So now I see that the rocket is there. It has one mission. It was only in the sky for one time. So one mission, and during the mission, this is the name of the mission, and they have some many-to-many relationships to contacts. So these three were on that rocket. So now that I've got a bit more of relationships tables down here with the data, I get new tabs here. So for the mission, I can find all the missions here. Well, it's only one in this case, and get some information about that and more details. It's the relationship name, how many records, and how is cascading and so on. And if you can also move on to contacts, you can see you had these three and see more details there as well. That's basically what this tool is doing right now. How would you ever use that? Well, for me at least, it's good to have this to actually, when we don't really understand how the data is connected to each other, and how are the Neil Armstrong, how is he connected to the Apollo 11? Now we can see, yeah, he's there because on the mission, blah, blah, from 1929, and had mission there on that rocket and so on. I think that's it for the related records analyzer. So take it on, Ambesh.
Thank you so much again, Jonas, for the wonderful demo. And I would request to the audience to subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos within the community. Also provide your feedback in the comment section that what episode you would like to cover next. Till that, have a great time and happy learning. Goodbye.